What we have today is an entry-level model of the Chery Philippines lineup. So what makes the Chery Tiggo 2 special is that it's priced at 770,000 Philippine pesos, which is usually subcompact hatchback or sedan territory. So what can we see inside? Is it worth a look? The Tiggo 2 is the smallest Tiggo, and it shows its babiness because of the exterior color, which is color blue na medyo light. And then it looks sporty because of the black roof, which I think is wrapped only. Here in front, the Chery looks nice. Meron siyang grille dito na different from the other Chery models, pero maganda rin naman siya kahit na simple. And then it has projector type halogen headlights with Tiggo words on the side. And then meron siyang LED park lights. And then dito sa baba, kung mapansin nyo, meron siyang daytime running lights that sometimes can be mistaken as fog lights. And then meron din siyang black cladding and silver skid plate that makes it look more rugged compared sa other Chery models. Here on the side of the Chery Tiggo 2, you can see that it has minimal lines. Ito lang yung line niya. And then may crease dito. And then it has a bulge over here. And it has a manual folding side mirrors with LED turn indicators. And then dito sa handle niya, makikita nyo na it has chrome strip on it. Then meron siyang roof rails. And then here, meron siyang rear quarter windows. Pero fake yan. Sa labas meron, sa loob wala. The Chery Tiggo 2 has 16-inch two-tone alloy wheels wrapped in 205/55R16 tires. And it has discs on all four wheels, which is quite unheard of para sa price point niya. The rear looks kind of bit wall-eyed thanks to the space in between the LED taillights. And not all may like the LED taillights, but for me, I like it because the design is good. And di ko alam it reminds me of Peppa Pig, and I don't know why. So here in the trunk, you have 420 liters of space. And then, kung makikita nyo, meron siyang cover. But if you need more space, you can remove them. So, mas marami ka ng space. And then here, makikita nyo na malalim siya. This is the height of the trunk sa loob. It also has spare tire and tools inside. Here in the cargo area, it has two speakers na located dito, which is medyo weird. And then mas weird pa na exposed yung wirings ng speaker dito sa ilalim. And then aside from removing the cover a while ago, if you want to add more space, you can push the seats forward by just clicking the button. Yan, mas malawak na. Inside, the design is nice because it's simple and straightforward. Tapos everything is made of hard plastics like this one. And I like what they did here na nilagyan nila ng faux carbon fiber because nagbigay siya ng buhay dun sa design. Kesa naman lahat same material like this one. So for the steering wheel, it is wrapped in leather naman. Tapos meron siyang buttons for the infotainment system. And then meron siyang buttons for the cruise control. Dito rin sa door panels, meron din siyang faux carbon fiber. Tapos meron din siyang faux leather dito sa armrest. For the seats, it's a combination of cloth and leather. Tapos meron siyang mga orange stitching and designs dito. So, maganda siya tignan. Before I forget pala, all four windows are automatic down. Pero pag iaakit mo na siya, kailangan mo nang i-hold kasi di na siya automatic. And then for the instrument cluster, analog yung dito niya. Pero it's nice naman kasi yung design niya, it's very sporty, lalo na may red all around. Tapos the aircon sa sides, bilog sila, and then for the middle, they're horizontal. For the infotainment system, it has 8-inch touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay. So for the Android users out there, tiis na lang muna kayo sa Bluetooth kasi yun lang yung pwede nyo i-connect. Tapos, very responsive yung touchscreen. Tapos, yung graphics niya, medyo parang malabo. Di naman siya pixelated, but kind of blurry. Pwede pa siya i-improve yung clarity. Tapos, dito naman, we have the AC controls. Tapos, may small storage. And then, dito yung 12-volt power outlet and 1 USB port. Tapos, yung sa shifter niya, it's gated. Tapos, merong 2 cup holders dito na medyo maliit, hindi gaano kasya tong bottle. Yan, no? Kasya siya, pero hindi all the way. And then, meron pa another storage over here. Here at the back, it's a no-frills place. Just like Cebu Pacific. You just sit here. Ayun lang. So, dito, meron tayong 2 back pockets. And then, meron siyang storage dito sa center. Pero wala siyang air vents, which is expected naman. Tapos for the seats, same material siya with the one in front. And yun lang. So ito pala, if you buy any Chery models, they all come with UV disinfection lamp. So if you want to know more about the details, check out their Facebook page or their website. Tapos ito pa ang maganda. Every Chery models come with 10 years or 1 million kilometer engine warranty and 5 years or 150,000 bumper-to-bumper warranty and free 3-year preventive maintenance service. So, you think. So, for the space, yung umupo dito is 5 feet and 7 inches tall. So, ito yung natira kong space dito. And I'm 5 feet and 6 inches. Tapos, okay naman yung seats dito. It's quite comfortable naman and hindi naman siya ganun kasikip. Safety features on the Chery Tiggo 2 are dual front airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability program, emergency brake assist, brake override system, brake assist system, hill descent control, hill start assist, traction control, emergency signal system, reverse camera with guidance lines, and ISOFIX. Just like other Chery models, this one gets 1.5-liter gasoline engine. And with this particular engine of the Chery Tiggo 2, it provides us with 106 horsepower and 135 Nm of torque mated to a 4-speed automatic transmission. And medyo maliit pakinggan yung mga numbers, but let's try it out sa test drive para malaman natin yung performance. Honestly, when you're driving the Chery Tiggo 2, it's like you're driving a hatchback, which is it's not that bad naman. And when you think of the numbers and yung size niya, you can compare it to like the Honda Jazz versus the HR-V. So dito yung acceleration niya, it's decent. Hindi siya super bilis, it's tama lang siya. And it's quite responsive din kasi pag apa ko pa lang sa pedal, umaandar na siya agad. So, it's nice, di ba? This one, it's 4-speed automatic. And kasi di ba, compare sa iba, usually it's CVT. Pero ito, kahit na 4-speed automatic, smooth siya. Maganda yung pag-shift niya. And then, mabilis din siya. And hindi mo rin maririnig gaano yung sound. Minsan maririnig mo, pero the noise, it's bearable naman. Driving this, kapag sa mga incline, mafe-feel mo na medyo underpowered siya. And medyo mahirap din hanapin yung sport mode niya kasi nandito siya located sa baba ng aircon, sa left side. Yung sport mode niya, it's really fast, responsive din. And okay siya gamitin, pero ang napansin ko lang dito is that every time I start the vehicle or the car, naka-sport mode na siya agad, which is usually hindi yun yung mga hinahanap ng mga tao, 'di ba? When you drive this kind, ang gusto mo lagi is naka-eco ka or yung naka-normal mode, hindi yung sport mode agad. For its NVH and ride quality, decent lang naman siya. You can hear the road noise from the outside, and that's why siguro I feel like I'm driving a hatchback dahil dun. And dun sa engine niya, when coming to a stop, parang pag bumabagal ka na, I can hear a noise na parang whistling noise na humihina na humihina. I don't know kung ano yung cause niya, kung bakit ganun. Pero there is. For the engine vibration, I wish that they would improve it. Kasi minsan nafe-feel ko yung pag-vibrate niya, and lalo na pag naka-stop, bigla na lang siyang mag-vibrate, ganun, slight. And then, you can also hear it. So, it's kinda weird lang. I don't know kung the horn is just broken or what, pero I don't think na it will work here in the Philippines. Kasi, I don't like it. Ito. Diba? For the fuel economy, I got an 8 to 10 inside the city na may konting standstill traffic. And sa highway naman, I got 13 to 15 na sa ganun, kilometers per liter. The Tiggo 2 is perfect for city driving. It really feels like pang city talaga siya. Kesa sa for road trips, ganun. And yung ride quality niya, yung driving, yung handling, everything, pang city talaga. As I mentioned earlier, the Chery Tiggo 2 is priced at 770,000 Philippine pesos and 695,000 pesos for the manual version. And honestly, with its flaws and everything that can be improved, it's a good or a well-equipped crossover. And it can be a good first car. And for the price of same as the hatchback or the sedans, okay na siya. Who knew you can get this kind of crossover at that kind of price point?